TSA found a double-edged knife hidden in a gaming laptop. Will.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious. Surprisingly, not a razor blade or an MSI sword.
Wham, wham.
Thank you for the humor that only gamers can understand, Tom's Hardware.
Mm-hmm.
For gamers, by gamers, with gamers involved.
Look how covert that is.
Yeah. Well, but of course you're going to see it on the X-ray.
In the X-ray, yeah.
Yeah. A giant knife over there. I don't know why, what do you need the knife for? You're obviously not going to really access it immediately. You just need the knife when you get there, or are you just trying to get it through TSA?
Yeah, and it's not like an expensive knife or something.
No, it doesn't even look like a cool knife. It looks like a very thin, it looks like you're trying to hide the knife. I don't.
It's like...
Well, listen, how can we really speculate? Maybe this person did have some terrible ideas. The Transportation Security Administration stopped a man in Virginia's Richmond International Airport late last week after discovering a double-edged knife hidden inside his gaming laptop. According to TSA, the man, hailing from Williamsburg, Virginia, was going through security on November 11th when an officer, a security checkpoint, noticed a knife was in the man's carry-on bag via an X-ray machine. However, when the bag was searched and the contents were separated, no knife was found. When each item was rescreened individually, the knife appeared inside the laptop. So they had to obviously disassemble it, which is pretty wild. You picture the TSA agents disassembling a laptop. I don't know how frequently that happens.
Yeah,
but I
it's
guess
like we need Dave 2D.
They have to go to iFixit and order up or get Linus's screwdriver set over there. Actually, they say a small Phillips head screwdriver and something to pry the lid off.
Oh, okay.
They have all the stuff they need. Will, don't underestimate over here.
Right.
This was a superb job on part of the officers to first identify the threat and then to work in partnership with the Capital Region Airport Commission Police to obtain tools that were necessary to disassemble the laptop to reveal the knife. This guy really wants to get the knife on the flight. I find this is quite odd. Stiff federal civil penalty, obviously, can't be doing this, could lead to a fine ranging from $390 to $2,250. Yeah, and in this case, it was like obviously premeditated. It's not like, oh, hey, I forgot the thing in the bag. Like that's happened to me.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot that was in there. This is you installed it into your laptop in this case.
Or someone did.
Easy. You're going even deeper?
Yeah, maybe he bought it off of Kijiji or something.
You're going deeper.
eBay.
You're going deeper.
Yeah.
And you're looking...
And it was pre-installed.
Yeah, you're looking for more engagement.
As an upgrade.
You're looking for more engagement. As an upgrade, that's right.
Yeah.
You're right. That could have happened too. Well, a lot of things could have happened. Who knows? His wife could have tried to sabotage him. She's like, this stupid gaming laptop, I'm going to put a knife in it. So when you go on your business trip, you're going to be detained. Yeah, you never know, Will. A lot of people out there.
Too bad there's no more information about the motive or the person.
No, how are you going to find this stuff out? Yeah. Just more questions.